He sings the bacon, bacon, bacon pancake song. He'll say bacon like at least a good 5, 6, 7 times before the word pancake gets out. He knows when he's being like naughty. And if you're eating, he will do anything to get it. He'll kind of just give you this look, and that's how you know that he's, up to something.
You're a good baby. Yes, you are. Hi.
He was 10 weeks old when I went to go meet him. I knew he had to come home.
Peekaboo.
And he was just learning how to fly. I worked from home, and he became focused on my office. So he would fly onto the blinds, grab onto them, and just start chewing them. And he would try to pick off the keyboard keys.
Are you bugging me at work? You're not getting my keyboard.
It is annoying. Sometimes it sucks.
What you doing?
But he did learn over time. Those are not to eat. And he is so cute, so how can you stay mad at him?
You dancing?
He would start laying on his back, hanging out. That's when the bond started growing.
Oh no, you can't leave me alone, can you? Mwah, pretty boy.
He is fully free-flighted, so he follows me around the house. Being involved in whatever you're doing makes his day. His favorite activity is washing the dishes. He'll be just sitting there chatting, just getting really excited.
Bacon, bacon, pancake.
He definitely helps me with the motivation of wanting to do chores.
Oh, baby. Oh, you're very good baby.
I do dance with Lago as well. I'll put him on my shoulder and he's like, oh yeah, dance party time. Lago is my partner in crime. He does do naughty things, but I wouldn't change it. Lago is my best friend.